name is Christy. I'm with Precocious Petals. Thank you for joining me. I am planning a wreath class in the next week, and so I thought I would do a tutorial video for anyone that couldn't make it. This is what the final product is going to look like. This is the small sunflower. The petals are the same for the big one. This is the wreath board that I use. I'll put the link in the description where you can purchase these. They're with Unique in the Creek. These are amazing. They make it so easy for you. So I have it already preloaded with color-coded zip ties so you know where to put the mesh. And then this will be the wreath center. I prefer the poly burlap mesh, but any of the mesh really works well with this wreath. And it just depends on how sparkly you want it to be. This is the back, so if you can see the placement of where I put the zip ties, they're color-coded. And that'll help you if you want to do your own. Or you could purchase a kit from my website that I'll have it already done for you. So we're going to start with the petals, which is the green. This is very simple. Okay, so the green petals, which are going to be the leaves, are fairly simple. Put it in a diamond facing you with the edging on the left-hand side on the top. Take the top corner, bring it to the center. Take the bottom corner, bring it to the center. Then just scrunch it up and flip them up to meet each other like this. And you can kind of smooth them out a little bit and put it in with your, under your green zip tie. So I'm going to do one more of these. So again, top corner goes to the center, bottom corner goes to the center. Take your fingers and just walk it up and then flip it to the top. So you can pull out your petals a little bit and then just zip it into place. You don't have to use the color-coded zip ties. It's just for the kids. It just makes it easier. Okay, one more time. Top corner to the center, bottom corner to the center, and zip it up. Fold it up to meet in the center. And zip it into place. Okay, and then you can cut these zip ties off just to get them out of your way. Wire cutters work best for me with cutting the zip ties. The scissors make it a little tougher. So then we're going to work on the yellow petals, and we're going to start from the outside and go in. So the yellow is a little bit more complicated. You make it a diamond shape just like the green. Top corner to the bottom corner. And then crease it out a little bit. Then the right corner to the left-hand corner. And again, flatten it out. So they call this the Star Trek petal. Take the two bottom corners and slide them in together. So it kind of looks like a shoe. Then you take your finger and you push down in the middle and pinch it. And then take this and stick it in one of the yellow zip ties. You probably have about a half inch stuck in. And then pull the zip tie tight. I'll do a couple more of these and then I'll finish off the first row. Diamond shape, top corner to the bottom corner. And then crease it out a little bit. Then the right corner to the left-hand corner. And again, flatten it out. Take the two bottom corners and slide them in together. Then you take your finger and you push down in the middle and pinch it. And then take this and stick it in one of the yellow zip ties. Okay, top corner to the bottom corner. Right corner to the left corner. Take the two bottom corners, pull them together to meet in the middle, push down in the center, and squeeze it together. And then stick it in a yellow zip tie. Okay, I'm gonna finish off the first row and I'll be right back to show you the second one. Okay, now we're gonna do the second row, which is the same as the first row, but I'll go over the leaf petal one more time. Diamond shape, top corner to the bottom corner, right corner to the left corner, flatten it out. Take the bottom two, pinch them in the middle, push down with your finger and squeeze it. And then enter it into the next row of zip ties. Okay, I'm gonna finish out this row and I will be right back. Now we're gonna start on the last final row of the petal. This is the center of your sunflower. I'll show you the petal one more time. Diamond shape, bring the top to the bottom. Make a crease, right hand side to the left hand side. Fold it flat, bring the two bottom pieces together so that it's poofed up in the center, push down in the center, and pinch it. And then we're gonna start on our third row. This might get a little tricky because these are pretty close together, but you're gonna love the results. Okay, I will be right back as soon as I'm done with the third row. Okay, so for the center, I'm just going to hot glue this. For the class and for those of you at home, I just think that's easier. I have never had a problem with it coming unstuck. So I can't reach my glue gun over here, so I'm gonna hot glue it over here in the corner and bring it back. Okay, and then I would just hold this down for a minute to secure it, make sure that it stays stuck real good. I would probably get a smaller wreath center for this, but unfortunately I was unable to get them in time. But I think this is going to be beautiful anyway. And there you have it. Small sunflower. You'd be the envy of your neighbors hanging this on your front door, and you'd get to tell them that you made it yourself. After it's all done, I usually take a clear zip tie or whatever color you might have, and then just hook it in the back through a couple of the top holes like that, and then you can use that as a hanger, and that works out perfectly. So there you have it. It's finished. And this is what the kit will look like. All of the mesh is pre-cut. It comes with your wreath center, and your boards are all loaded. This is the large sunflower kit. And the large sunflower kits are gonna run $40 plus shipping, and the small ones will run $30 plus shipping. Thank you so much, and I will post links to my website in the description. There will also be links where you can order the boards from Unique in the Crate, but they have these at Hobby Lobby now. And if you check out Hobby Lobby, every other week the mesh stuff goes on sale. So that is really helpful because it's like 40% off. So thank you for watching. I hope I helped. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.